So this story was floating around during the weekend. Have you?
I saw the video clip of. Okay, so Bezos, is it his wife or is this still his girlfriend?
His girlfriend.
Okay, so he famously had a divorce with Mackenzie, and it was like a multi-billion-dollar divorce settlement. Mm-hmm. And this woman was obviously in the middle of it, Lauren Sanchez.
Yes.
And then this amazing video clip comes out of an encounter where you have Bezos, Sanchez, and DiCaprio.
Yeah.
And they're at some kind of art show. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. I just want to point out the height. They're not actually that far off.
That's right.
But this picture just really capitalizes on this dramatic story.
So perfect. So DiCaprio is standing on a platform that they're about to step up onto.
Yeah.
But it's almost as if it's like you can see in the body language here that Bezos hates the location that he's standing in and that she has zero problem with it. Mm-hmm. And so it's this wonderful exchange. Twitter loved it, as you might expect. Of course, people are reading way too much into it.
Yes.
And Bezos isn't the tallest guy either. So the platform in that case is having more of an impact. So there are all types of memes over here. And I'm pretty sure many of us would look like Lauren Sanchez if we happened to meet DiCaprio. We might look
for sure, yeah.
Yeah, we might do the exact same thing, Will. You might even put on a dress like that.
Yeah. With the long hair. Yeah. That's me right there.
DiCaprio's like,
I'm completely swooned.
He's like, you just stay down there. I'll stay on this platform.
Pushes me away.
Oh, man. But yeah, I mean, people love it because Bezos is a nice target, right? He's worth, couple $100 billion or whatever it is. And you don't mind seeing him a little bit uncomfortable.
And, with Elon just having fun on social media, Bezos just seems to have a bad rap. That he's tight.
He's
considered like the serious entrepreneur.
But he does try to have a good time from time to time. Like, I mean, at least you see him, he's on a boat or something.
Yeah, he's enjoying life. But he kind of, what was it, Twitter? He posted a tweet of a picture.
Oh my God, that's...
So he's having fun, good for him.
He's exactly halfway between Zuckerberg and Elon. He is the exact halfway point.
Yeah.
Zuckerberg is over here in complete, at least people's reaction to his disposition, his presentation, is that he's so much different than they are socially. Again, this is just like based on exposure online to people's reactions. Bezos, this sense of humor here is sort of there, but then he's also a little bit unusual during interviews and things. Well, they're all, I mean, everybody's got their own weirdness. And then Elon on the media side is so far in meme town. He is like...
He's the edgelord.
He is. He's in there as far as memes go. But what is the feeling on this? Because I'll just tell you mine.
Okay.
I like this tweet.
Yeah, I do too.
I think it's a good tweet.
Uh-huh.
He gets in front of it and he goes, Leo, come over here. I want to show you something. And it's a picture of Bezos shirtless with a set of arms on him.
He's got pipes.
And then a sign that says, danger, steep cliff, fatal drop. I'll tell you what, they could make an extra $1 billion if they wanted it and just have a little boxing match these days, eh? DiCaprio versus Bezos.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't be worth it. I think some of those brain cells are necessary.
Oh, yeah.
It's for, I don't know, space. And I think DiCaprio's got a big role coming up. Who's he playing? Some kind of controversial figure.
Really?
Who was it? Find out next time on Lou Later.